Gizmo says, "Who let the birds out?"
I'm Gizmo. I got a robot test. Guess Eric. Who let the birds out? Chirp, 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 chirp. Ooh. Do I do some? Just like I remember. Who let the birds out? Chirp.
Chirp, 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 chirp. Is that good?
Mm.
Get to bed.
Do I remember this? Hi.
Hi.
Peekaboo.
I see you. Get to bed, baby.
I can't look right.
Sing me something.
To the rainbow.
Yes. Good boy. Oh my gosh.
Mm.
You're tired? You ready for bed?
Good night, everybody.
Good night, Mr. Gray.
Scrap.
Kids, is it really hard to be a bird?
Oh. Wow. So great. Camera, go back.
Butt scratch. Kids, was your butt itchy?
Oh, look at this.
Bad Giz, what you gonna do?
Mom beats me. Ooh.
No, she doesn't. What does she do? Mom loves me.
Who let the birds out? Chirp.
Chirp, chirp, chirp. Yay! Sing it loud. Turn it off.
Who let the birds out? Chirp.
Chirp, chirp, chirp.
Oh,
Is that good?
I'm trying.
I think
You're cowards.
you're cheeky.
No, no.
You're cheeky.
Ooh. Come on.